And got the plywood showing right here. Actually, I can leave that in there. Got the plywood showing right here. Let's see, what can I do? Tell you what I'm gonna do, team. We're gonna take all this apart. Well, I'll tell you what, we'll film it. They'll let us film it. We'll film it. I ain't know if the video was gonna last. Man, as soon as I lifted that shingle right there, I could hear it, dude. It made a little cracking noise right there.
See, they got creases in them already, like right here.
I gotta pull out now, I got a hole in it. See, that one over there kind of cracked on me when I was lifting it. And then just look at what we're doing, man. Look at this repair right here, how far we finna have to go. When I do this repair, that leaves me with what, a shingle between the next repair?
You can see they got creases in them, like right here. Right?
Yeah, and then look, that turns into the ridge. So I don't know what kind of number they have because they haven't showed me the estimate yet. But I'm just telling you right now, dude, if you think that you can come in here and repair something like this, look, all this ties into the valley. See over here where the valley is? This shingle belongs to that shingle. By the time I pull that up, dude, I'm on the valley. All that's coming up too, ain't it? Because look, the repair, it's all, yeah. So for me to come over here and do a repair on a rusty valley that, you know, with the manufacturer's code and to be built up to the thing, I got to replace the underlayment of the valley and all that. So to sit here and act like there's some type of repair to be done, which we finna try to do, don't get me wrong. Where does it stop? And then look across the roof, just look. All that's up by the ridge, it's on the other side of the valley. But, you know, as I'm sitting here working and I'm thinking, oh, we're gonna do a repair, shoot, that's almost ludicrous, you know? Like right now, I thought I was repairing that one. Boom, bam, it sends me over there. Now I noticed that, oh yeah, there's holes in these shingles. So I mean, truth is, look at this roof. Look how old it is. Dude, when I lift this up, when the flat bar touched the edge, it's just sitting there damaging that shingle. So it's like, where do you stop?